the LG, the 20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys the new Microsoft Edge browser. So if you guys update your Windows 10 PC to the January 2019 09 update, you guys will have the ability to try out the new Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. So this is really cool. So this is what it looks like when you guys open up the browser here. Nice looking homepage here. You guys will have your most recent pages right here. You can sync your Chrome history to this as well. So the new Microsoft Edge is using Chromium based pages or whatever. So this does have Chromium built into it now. So that's pretty cool. So like I said, you can sync your Chrome history over to this, and y'all guys should be able to rock on that. So the new Microsoft Edge got a new logo here. But this is what the logo looks like now. It's pretty nice. You guys have your search bar up here, and the settings are here, and you can jump to your recent pages here. So that's pretty cool. When you guys use it for the first time, it will ask you guys, you want to have Microsoft as your default browser. You can have that yes or no or whatever. So just exit all that. So you search bars up here. After you search for whatever you want, and whatever you have searched in Chrome, it will show up here. You have your account here, so you can sync your Microsoft account here. That's what I did here. So you can have your account here, turn sync on. You name the profile on browser as a guest, and you can add profiles if you want to do that. That's your favorites tab. I don't have any favorites right now. Your favorite tab is up here. So you guys know what this is. You go back, forward, and refresh there. You can favorite a website by clicking right here. Click on the three dots. Will get to your settings. You guys will have new tab, new window, new and private window. Widgets will let you browse privately. You have favorites. You have history here. So your history will be shown here. The downloads over here. Your apps. You can install such as apps or whatever. You also have extensions as well. Like I said, this is a Chromium based browser now, so yeah, that's why you'll have the extensions here. You can go to the Microsoft Store and get them there. I don't have any extensions for Edge just yet, but you can add extensions if you guys want to, which is very nice. So you got print there, share, find on page, read out loud, so you can have things read out loud to you. So that's really nice. So if you like hard of hearing, or if you guys really can't see that well or hear that well, you guys will have the thing read it out loud to you. So that's really nice to have. More tools, you have save as, save page as. You can cast to a device. Your laptop and the device has to be on the same Wi-Fi network, so you keep in mind you have that. You have pin the taskbar, which I already have to pin the taskbar right here. I'll show you guys right here. So right there, so it comes with the taskbar. You can launch taskbar pin and wizard. Browser task manager or developer tools there. Settings for Edge browser. Like I said, you sign into your Microsoft account. You will need a Microsoft account to sign in with your Microsoft account. You can manage account, passwords, payment info, and stuff like that right here. Privacy and services. This will allow you to choose like the tracking prevention thing. Also, this will help you stop websites from tracking you. So you have three options. You have basic, balance, or strict. It's default to balance, so just leave it alone. You can try it out if you guys want to. Download and try out each setting if you want. Do that. Scroll down here. You have to go to your browsing history layer, privacy layer. Select the privacy setting right here. Services. And this is on by default here. If you guys see a blue box, and it's on, so yeah. And you also have other features as well. Your appearance. You can change your thing. So the things they got have light theme, dark theme, system default. I'm just going to do system default there. Or you can change it back. Basically it's the same thing. Set favorites bar on one tab, on the new tab. So you can have the favorites bar on at all times. Never have it on, or you can have it on the tabs only. Whatever one suits you. Y'all guys have zoom. You can zoom in, zoom out, whatever. Font sizes here. Start up there. You can open a new tab, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or pages there. New tabs page, customize. Your new tabs page, layout, and content. So if you guys hit customize, when you guys first install the new Microsoft Edge browser, it will show you guys the different page layouts. This one is the default one, I believe it is. This one right here, you have three choices to choose from. You have I'll show you guys right here. You have focused, which is basically a black background there. It's basically right there. That's focused, and you have inspirational right here, which I just had it on, and you'll have the little edge logo there in the middle. So that's cool. And then you have information or whatever the hell the word is. And if you guys do that, you guys will have your newsfeed pop up down here. You will have the weather and stuff here. Your news will be here and all that. So it's pretty cool. Wait for this stuff to load. So do that. So cool. You can scroll down to like your news and stuff like that there. And custom, you can customize it with quick links or images or an image of the day there if you guys want. So that's the custom setting. So you do have a lot of options here. And then you have language and content United States English. That's what mine is. Can I go back? Alright. So that's the new task for site permissions. That right there, you can grant this browser permissions and stuff like that. Downloads, languages. It's default to English on my end, but it might be different for yours. Printers, I don't have any printers or anything like that here. System, you have continue. Running background apps from Microsoft Edge is closed. Use hardware acceleration on the mobile. Open your computer proxy settings there. You can reset settings if you guys want. If you guys want to reset the settings to default, so you can do that here. And you're gonna learn more about Microsoft Edge. So I'm gonna tell you guys the version, which is version 80.0.361.48. This browser is made possible by the Chromium open source project and other open source software. So this does have Chromium built into it, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, so that's what the thing looks like there. If you get to a website here, like, let's get to Verizon's website. This is Verizon. This is the Verizon website right here. I'll say that it'll load. So you can sync your Chrome history over to Edge, so it'll be an easy transition for you. So the page is loading up there, so it's pretty cool. Obviously, download some browse the page or whatever you guys want to do. Browse for phone, plan deals and stuff like that. 5G and stuff like that. If you hold down on the left arrow, you can access the history there. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it there. If you guys scroll down, obviously y'all have a little more news and stuff right here. Scroll down. A little more news right there. If you click on the settings button right here, y'all guys can change the page layout instantly. You can have it on focus, like I mentioned. You can have it on informational, which is right here, or you can have it on information on right here. Or informational, which is right here, and that's what I have it on. Y'all guys can click down on this and bring it up your news right there. That way, depending on which one you want. Actually, you can search whatever you want there. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The new Microsoft Edge browser is in here. In order to get this, y'all guys must have the 1909 update. And when you guys do that, y'all guys want to download Microsoft Edge in order to get the new layout. And I will put a link to those down below. So make sure that your Windows 10 PC is updated to 1909. And then click the link below to update to the new Microsoft Edge browser. It's pretty fucking cool. It's Chromium based, so you can have your Chrome history synced to this as well, so no worries there. So this is really cool. I'm liking this a lot. It's pretty quick. And yeah, it's really cool. And I really like the little background here, the little colorful background there, and really nice. So yeah, there you guys have the new Microsoft Edge browser. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys would help me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.